Hello guys, welcome to my food vlog. Today I am sharing my favorite fruits. My number one favorite is strawberry. I can eat it anytime. Even if it's a little sour, I still love it. My second favorite is orange. It's so juicy and tasty. I also eat apple because it keeps us healthy. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. I like pomegranate and kiwi. But strawberry is always my forever favorite. That's all for today. Don't forget don't forget to eat fruits. Bye bye guys. Like, share and subscribe. Please like and share and subscribe. Bye.